Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today, I just want to share my experience on this product. It's like I bought this product like 1.5 year ago, and basically, one question when someone looks at this product, this is for the mosquitoes. Actually, if mosquito enters this one, there is some iron grill, something like that. No? There will be small electric shock will be there, just like the mosquito bat, the same operation. And if I switch off the light here, means as the room is dark, mosquito, as the light attracts the mosquito, it enters this area, this mesh area, and they will get electric shock. That's the basic operation. I'll switch on the light. And in one of the, what is this, I don't want any chemicals, means I can keep the coils, mosquito coil, something like that, but I don't want any chemicals. That's the reason for buying this. But to be honest, if I have to say, last night, for a few nights when I operate this, uh, very few mosquitoes, like one or two are there inside this. But in a something in a shopping mall or a grocery shop, means a smart shop, when I watch there is a huge mosquito attractor there, or flies attractor there, with the same lights. And there I saw a lot of mosquitoes and lot of flies there. I thought this also works very similar. Maybe I don't know what's the reason. Maybe this is the small in the size or something like that. This didn't work for me. Once again, I'm not saying about the brand or product or anything, just my experience. Please do comment who else are using these sort of things without chemicals, to get rid of the mosquitoes, who else are using. And I bought this like somewhere around 300 rupees or something like that, but I didn't use much. To be honest, I didn't use much, but when the days I used this, I didn't see that much good results. Maybe your case may be different. It is absolutely my experience. Please do comment who else are using these sort of things in your home. Yeah, I'll just add the product. If you want to check the details, you can check the details.